Guys, now I have the complete set of the bills here. The 1,000 that is already out last year or 2 years ago, a year ago. No, and now the 500 I have now. Before I only have this 50 and then the 100. Now I have the complete set. Thanks to Daddy for taking in the bank. Yes, here. Now I have few more bills. Yeah, taong wallet. I took everything from him. Okay, diba? So I have this now. I don't know when it will be really out. So, para gamitin natin. You see, oh, so nice. The 50. Red, parang pink. And then, yung 100, violet na violet. And then, yung instead na si Ninoy, na siya ngayon? What is this? A deer? Pasensya na, medyo malabo ang mata. What is this, my love?
Show me.
This?
Yes, it's a deer.
It's a deer. A local deer? Yes. We have local deer in the Philippines?
Maybe you had. Maybe there is few
a
left.
Deer? Or just a goat?
Didn't eat them.
Maybe just a goat.
No.
A deer. And the 1,000, of course, is the eagle. The one in the 100 is what is this, my love? The one in the 100?
It's like no, the one Kavas. No. The one that have the color, the tail.
Yeah. I don't.
Peacock. How you call?
Okay. Let's do it again. Yung palang look, kasi may edad na. Magnifying glass na. Yung 50 pesos is Visayan Leopard Cut. Ayan. And the 100 pesos is Palawan Peacock. Palawan Peacock pisan. Yes. The 500, lagyan natin ng magnifying glass. Visayan Spotted Deer. Oh, it's in Visaya. Okay. And the 1,000, of course, everybody knows, is the Philippine Eagle. So, this is it. Everything. I have the complete set of the bills. Now that this will be in the market soon. Not soon. Ayaw pang ilabas ng bank masyado. Pero, yan. I got mine. Bye. Thank you for watching.